Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the battery to avoid electronics damage, then clean the dash with a degreaser so paint bonds. Once done, use painter's tape and plastic to mask vents, gauges, and seams. Be precise within about 1/8 inch. You'll also ventilate the cabin and lay down drop cloths. Next, select a flexible automotive dashboard paint and 400 grit sandpaper. These first actions set the foundation for adhesion and a smooth finish. You now sand the cleaned surface evenly with 400 grit, using light pressure and crosshatch strokes to dull the factory finish. This takes about 15 to 30 minutes. Once sanded, wipe with tack cloth and spray an adhesion promoter to help flexible paint stick. After that, apply 2 light coats of flexible primer, flashing 5 to 10 minutes between passes so it levels without runs. Make sure the primer cures roughly 60 minutes before moving to color. This prevents lifting later. You finish by spraying the flexible top coat in 2 to 3 light, overlapping passes, holding the gun about 20 to 30 cm from the dash to avoid runs. Once you get uniform coverage, let the paint tack up, then remove masking carefully to prevent edges from tearing. Allow a full 24-hour cure before reassembling or exposing to heavy use. If you see glossy spots or chips, lightly sand the area, reprime the bare spot, and feather in a fresh top coat. This single troubleshooting approach saves redoing the whole panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.